topic is orthographic projections. Okay, now orthographic projection, what we exactly do in question, isometric view is given. Isometric view, it is also known as pictorial view. So what is given in the question? Pictorial view of machine part is shown in the following figure. So this is the pictorial view, and from this we have to draw front view from X. So X means here you can see this X is given and here Y is given. So from this side front view is there. See, it depends on observer. Observer, if it is on from Y side, then this from Y side it will become front view. So what is given in the question? From X side we have front view. Okay, so this will be top view, and from this side it will be which view? Left hand side view. Okay, now how you exactly draw this, understand. See, before we move ahead, we will just understand the orientation of the different views. Now we will be using first angle projection method. Okay, first angle projection method means what? Where is the object in the first quadrant? We have seen the projection of points, lines, planes, solids, everything is in first quadrant. Okay, so I'll just show you the nature, how it will look like. So suppose this vertical line is x1 y1, okay, and horizontal line x is xy. Okay, now I have to decide where will be front view. Okay, how we will decide, understand. Front view we have seen multiple times in first angle projection method. If you see the quadrant system, if this is the quadrant system and this is the first quadrant, na? Here you will have second quadrant. So when the object is placed in first quadrant, if you see from here, you will be able to observe the front view. If you view from the object, view the object from the top, it will be top view. If you view from the left and draw on right side, it will be which view? Left hand side view. It is drawn on profile plane. Same way, if you view the object from right side and draw on left hand side, it will be right hand side view. Okay, now since it has been given left hand side view, where will be left hand side view drawn? Right side. So suppose this area is right, left hand side view on right side. So where will be front view? Front view will be over here. This will be front view, and below the front view, this will be which view? Top view. So when you get a question, what you have to decide? Out of these four boxes, I mean the four area, we have xy line, x1, y1 line. So whether the front view will be drawn on right side or left side. Is it clear? See, front view you can draw in place of LHS also. Then where will be top view? See, if I draw front view over here, you can see my cursor. If I draw front view over here, top view will be over here. So here which view will be there? Right hand side view will be on left hand side. So if this is not understood perfectly, then you will waste your time in drawing. So first thing is, you need to decide where will be front view, where will be top view, and on which side will be side view. It will depend on which side. Okay, so you can write down this if you want, note it down. Okay, now see the next thing. Everyone pay attention. See, next thing what we are going to do is, we will find the maximum dimensions of front view, left hand side view, and top view. So everyone pay attention here. Okay, right afterwards, everyone pay attention here. If you see from the direction of X, this side, okay, what will be this dimension, maximum dimension of the front view? Just see the diagram and tell me, na? 180. Is it clear? So if you consider front view, maximum dimension is 180. So here I am writing length and height. Okay, this is length into height of front view. So what is the maximum height of the front view? Just observe. See, ये dimension कितना है? What is this dimension? 16 plus from this point itself. See, this is not vertically, it is actually same. Huh? Are you understanding what I am trying to say? See, here it looks like this is behind, na? But since I am looking from the front side, this line and this line both are at same elevation. So wherever this 16 is ending, from there itself, height wise 45 is starting. So 16 plus 45, and then from here you can see next height is 30. So what will be the total height? 16 plus 45 plus 30. कितना है? Huh? 91. So 180 is the length and height is 91. Now see the top view. If I observe from the top side, I will first observe the length. Okay, length will be this one. Length into width will be there. So what will be the length? Again same 180. So length will be 180 into what will be the width? Width means this maximum dimension. What is the maximum dimension here? 90. Is it clear? Okay, now see the side view. Side view means you are going to see from Y because it is left hand side view. So from this side, you will be able to see the width and you will be able to see the height. So I will write down this will be width and this will be height. What will be width? Same 90. What will be height? Same 91. So if you observe in front view, I have written length and height. Okay, now in top view that length is same. See, width is something different as per the figure. So if you observe for all three views, if you compare any two views, one dimension will be same. Like for example, for front view and top view, length is same 180, 180. What is different? Height is 91. Here the width is 90. But if you compare front view and left hand side view, height is same. Here height is 91, here height is 91. Here length is different, here width is different. And if you compare top view, you can similarly compare top view and left hand side view. Is it clear? Now why is this required? Whatever calculation we did, because I want to draw these maximum dimension boxes. So that whenever I draw the next, whenever I draw the solution of this, I will make sure that no line is going outside that box. If a line goes outside the box, means somewhere I have gone wrong. Is it clear? Okay, so what we will do, see, please note down this dimension. You write down in your book L into W into H, length into width into height. Length is how much? 180. Into width is how much? 90. Into height is how much? 91. Okay, I will require this data, so please write it down. You have to tell me the data. Have you written this? So I am erasing all these things. लिखा ना रे, बाद में बोलने का, नहीं तो वापस कैलकुलेशन में टाइम नहीं गलाना है. Okay, now see what we are going to do. So this portion I will be drawing very fast, because all the things I have already explained. See, first what we do, whenever I open AutoCAD, quickly I will revise the things. क्या करना है? First I will type U and enter. आप बुक में बाद में देखो, पहले यहाँ पे देखो, ध्यान दो. U and enter. Then precision will be 0, millimeters will be there. Okay. Okay, don't do side by side, otherwise you will lag. मैं जो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ उसमें पीछे रहोगे तो अभी कोई कुछ करेगा नहीं. ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. The next thing will be I will draw a rectangle. So REC enter. This will be border of the page. 420 into 297. You have already written. So REC enter first corner point 0, 0 enter. Second corner point 420, 297 enter. Z enter, A enter. You will see that rectangle. Okay, once this is drawn, immediately we need to set the layers, because I want projection layer. Some rough work will be done, so I require projection layer, center line, so center layer, hidden line, hidden layer. So we'll make some layers. We'll go to layer properties. Layer properties. Now this O layer will consider that this is by default the outline layer, or else I'll create a new layer. I'll name it as outline, and this I have already shared with you. It is white, continuous, and the thickness is 0.3. Line weight will be 0.3, so I'll take 0.4 instead of 0.3. Okay, then next type of layer is hidden. So how to select the hidden layer? I will click on new layer, name it as hidden. Okay, then change the color. Color is given as yellow. You can keep any color, it's not compulsion. So yellow color. Okay, and then continuous. See, line type will be, what will be the line type? Hidden 2. Okay, I have given it in writing, hidden 2. So I will go to line type. Now here we only have continuous, na? So what I told you, click on load, click somewhere over here, press H on keyboard and select hidden to. Okay. Then once it is selected, here you can see by default again continuous is there. Don't forget to select hidden, click OK. So now this is line type is hidden. Then after that you can change the thickness of the line or line weight, which is 0.15. Okay, next layer is center layer. It is red color. So I'll write down center, color will be red. Okay. Here we have to select hidden to. So load, click somewhere over here, press C and select center to. OK. And then select center to, again OK. Here you can see center to is there. If you don't select center to second time, it will remain hidden what was selected last time. Okay. Then again I think the thickness line weight is 0.15 only. Then next one is projection layer. So this is very important layer. Projection, color is magenta, and what is the line weight? Line weight is 0.05, and line type is continuous. Okay, next layer we will create, that is dimension. So new layer, dimension, select green color. Okay, and 0.25. Okay, now once this is done, see what happens. If I have selected 0 layer by default, and if I give the dimension, that dimension is created in 0 layer. Okay, whichever layer I select, the dimension is created in that level. Are you understanding? Now what I will do, I don't want to go to this layer panel again and again when I select the dimension. Whenever I click on dimension, automatically I want dimension layer to be selected. So there is one shortcut trick for this. See what I have to do for that. I will type in command line. This I have not given you in writing previously. So I will dictate it afterwards. पहले देख लो क्या करना है. I will type dim, DIM, enter. This is very important. Then I will click layer, and मैंने यहाँ पे जैसे type किया ना dimension, same to same I have to type. D was small ना, so I will type in same way. Otherwise it will not get selected. So I have typed it like this, dimension. Then press enter and again enter, and then escape. Now see, right now layer is O na, 0 na. So if I go to dimension and if I draw this, automatically you can see it is in green layer. Are you understanding? So I don't have to manually change the layer again and again for dimension. So this trick will help you a lot. Is this clear? Okay, now next understand what we are going to do. So I'll delete this. Next we will do some drafting settings. So DS enter before we draw. In snap and grid, snap should be off, grid should be on, rectangular snap should be there. This everything has been given to you in writing. Polar tracking should be on. Additional tracking, if you want, you can keep on. Object snap, everything should be on. Select all. Object snap tracking should be on. Okay, dynamic input, all everything here should be on, and then okay. So we have done the basics drafting settings. After this, next setting is dimension. So D enter. In dimension, ISO 25, I will select this, not standard one. I will click modify. Then in lines, what was the value given over here? Can you check? मैंने क्या दिया था? हाँ, 5 दिया था क्या? Dimension. If you go to dimension section, you will find this setting. एरो का नहीं रे, एक्सटेंड बियॉन्ड डायमेंशन, लाइंस में जाके देखो. हाँ, 2 दिया था. एंड ऑफसेट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन, both were 2 na. So see, I will keep this as 2, I will keep this as 2. Whatever is given, you follow that. Then in symbols and arrows, this size was 3. Okay, then text mein text height was 5, and here we have to select ISO standard, primary units, precision 0, and then click OK. So we have done all the dimension settings. Now see what I will do. Next step will be important. Whatever we discussed just now, that part I will be creating. What I will be creating? 3 boxes. Okay, so I'll now go to projection layer. Okay, I will select a line and I will draw 2 lines from center. Can you see this triangle? This will be midpoint. So midpoint to midpoint, triangle to triangle, I will join. Spacebar, again spacebar to activate last command. Again from triangle to triangle I will join. So if you can recall, this line will be XY line and this line will be X1 Y1. Here we will draw front view, top view, and here left hand side view. Okay. Now what next step will be? We have to draw offset. Okay. So 10 millimeter offset we will require. How to draw? I'll explain. See, O enter. Then what is asked? You have to read on the command line. What is asked? Specify offset distance. So I will specify distance as 10 millimeters. So 10 enter. Okay, then what is asked? Select object to offset. I want to select this object. Select this object, and then here I have an option multiple. Okay, if I click on bottom side, only one line I will get. If I click on multiple, I can go on clicking and I can get multiple offsets. So I want 2 offset. So multiple, center से नीचे offset and center से ऊपर offset. 2 offsets I have drawn. Center line is which one? Not center line. The line which has been drawn in the middle. It is which line? XY. And 2 offsets I have drawn. Same way vertical. I will draw offset. So O enter. Distance again. Here you can see in the bracket 10 is there. No need to type again then 10. Simply press enter. It will take the last value. Select object to offset. Always read on the command line. Select this object. Again click on multiple. Right side one time click, left side one time click, escape. Okay, now what I will do, I will draw 3 rectangles. How to draw rectangle? Understand. See, I'll go to, I am still in projection layer, I'll go to rectangle. First rectangle I will draw from this point. Okay, like this. What is the length? 180. So at the rate, I want to go on left side, na? So minus 180. At the rate minus 180, comma. What will be y distance? Height 91. Enter. So this is the first rectangle. Inside this rectangle, front view will be there. Below this, see from which point I have drawn the rectangle? This point. Huh? Okay. Then again, I will click on rectangle or I will type REC enter. So I will simply click the rectangle. Okay, select this point. Now what is the length again? Same. At the rate minus 180, comma. Now this is what width, na? Width is how much? 90. But I have to move in downward direction, so minus 90. Enter. Okay, automatically here you can see it will match. Same way, next. You can press spacebar to activate the rectangle command. Last command was rectangle, na? Spacebar. First corner. Okay, and then what is the length? Length नहीं आएगा ना? Width will be there. So what will be the width? At the rate right में जाना है. Width is how much? 90. Comma. Height is how much? ऊपर जाना है. 91. Enter. So I've got 3 boxes. Whatever I am going to draw, everything will be in these 3 boxes. Now one more thing you understand. I will avoid this box right now. Why? Because once I draw the front view and top view, by projections I have to draw side view. So in order to draw projection, here in planes also I had explained you. We have to draw a line. What is the angle of that line? 45 degree. Either here you will keep the compass and directly rotate it, or you can draw from here directly 45 degree incline. It will meet here only. Or third option was 45 degree incline line. So I will type, see how I am going to draw the line. L enter, specify first point which is the midpoint of xy and x1 y1 intersection. At the rate I will give any random length, like for example 150 is the length. Angle symbol. Now what will be this angle? I want this angle to be 45. So from positive x-axis, what will be this angle till here? See, 90, 180, 270, 270 plus 45, huh? 315. So 315, enter. Now here you can check the angle also. If I go to dimension, angular, if I select these two, see what is the angle, and see automatically it has taken green layer, dimension layer. What is the angle? 45. If you draw this line wrong, whole left hand side view will be wrong. Okay, now I told you before, no need to draw this box. Why? Understand. See, I can simply go to ortho mode to draw horizontal vertical lines. From here I will take the projection till here, and from this point I will move up. It will see automatically match over here. Are you understanding? Same way, if I draw a line from here, it will automatically match the height. So height and width can be taken from the front view and top view. So what you can do, just to be sure, you can draw this box, draw the 45-degree line and check if it is matching or not. If it is not matching, then 45 degrees is wrong. And at that moment itself, you correct this 45-degree angle so that next part of the solution, you don't do any mistake. Is it clear? Okay, so till here, you have to complete. Okay, I'll wait till here. Start. Okay, now pay attention here. One problem could be there. Suppose, stop drawing. Pay attention. So suppose these three layers you have drawn in some other, these 6 lines you have drawn in some other layer. For example, layer 0. Okay, and I want to convert it into projection layer. So what I can do, you don't have to delete the lines. Huh? You will simply select these 3 lines. You will select these 3 lines, select this drop down menu and put them in projection layer and press escape. Is it clear? No need to delete. एक बार ड्रॉ किया उसको कोई भी लेयर में इंटरचेंज कर सकते हो. Second thing, we will now go to the object, main question. Now see, when I want to draw this, what I will be looking at exactly in the front view. So I'll show it, I will highlight it from your perspective. See, where is the observer? Observer is this X. So this will be front view, na? So when I see from here, stop drawing. When I see from here, whatever is perpendicular to my eyesight, like for example this surface, if you observe this surface, this you will see as it is. ये जो shape है as it is दिखेगा. Same way, this shape you will see as it is. Same way, this shape you will see as it is. अभी मेरे को एक बात बताओ, ये दिखेगा, ये वाला portion नहीं दिखेगा. This will be visible only in top view. Is it clear? So that portion will not be visible. So whatever I am highlighting in blue, now see, this portion will be visible. Okay. Now can you see this 12 millimeter thickness one structure is there over there, that is called a rib. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Rib. Why is that rib given? It is basically like our ये जो होता है ना spinal cord. It gives proper posture to us ना, मतलब नहीं तो ऐसे गिर जाएंगे हम लोग. ऐसा ऐसा हवा आया तो हिलते रहेंगे. ठीक है. So basically this rib is basically giving support. Here you can see the cylindrical vertical object is there. That portion, base and this, everything is getting stick together with the help of that rib. Okay, तो ये क्या रहेगा? Rib रहेगा. Now this portion of the rib will be visible, which whatever I have highlighted, and यहाँ पे भी ये वाला portion front view में आएगा. Okay, दिख नहीं रहा है, देखो यहाँ पे कुछ portion दिख नहीं रहा है ना rib का, but ये rib ऐसे ही रहेगा पीछे के side में. Is it clear? Okay, ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. Then if you see from this side, observer side X, you will be able to see this rectangle for the cylinder. दिखेगा ना ये rectangle. One more thing, ये internal, सोहम इधर ध्यान देना है, ये जो internal दिख रहा है circle. Here one interesting thing is there, one assumption you have to make. This circle if you observe, ये पता चल रहा है hole कितना deep है? नहीं. Whenever you get a cylindrical hole like this, you have to assume that that circle is throughout. क्या assumption करना है? सर्कल थ्रू आउट है. इसका दिख रहा है कि कितने डेप्थ तक ये होल, ये देखो इधर तक भी हो सकता है ना. अगर इधर तक होगा तो ये ऐसे दिखेगा कुछ और वो डायमेंशन दिया रहेगा हाइट. बट हियर यू कैन नॉट सी दिस टाइप ऑफ कर्व इनसाइड. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये होल इधर तक तो रहेगा पक्का, और कुछ दिया नहीं है तो पूरा एंड तक, मतलब इधर तक रहेगा नीचे के सरफेस तक. ओके, देन इफ यू सी फ्रॉम द फ्रंट व्यू, ये कितने होल्स है टोटल? ये ऐसे जो होल है, ये कितने होल है? 4 है ना. एक होल दिख नहीं रहा है देखो. हियर दिस इज होल नंबर 1, दिस इज होल नंबर 2, दिस इज 3, एंड ये रिप के पीछे जो हम लोगों को दिख नहीं रहा है वहां पे फोर्थ होल रहेगा. तो टॉप व्यू में कितने होल्स दिखेंगे? 4. और फ्रंट व्यू में कितने होल्स दिखेंगे? इफ आई कंसिडर दिस वन, इफ आई सी फ्रॉम द फ्रंट साइड, सी, इफ आई ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम दिस साइड फ्रंट व्यू, ये होल और ये होल दोनों एक दूसरे के पीछे है ना, ये एक ही दिखेगा हिडन लाइंस में, बिकॉज ये आगे नहीं है, ये देखो बीच में है, तो इट विल बी हिडन लाइन. सेम वे दिस, इसके पीछे और एक होल है, तो फ्रंट व्यू में ये दोनों हिडन में आएगा. समझ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ओके, नाउ दिस अगेन वी विल सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ some 3D drawing. Okay, so here you observe I have made this 3D model where orientation has been changed. The orientation over here is like this, and here the orientation is like this. इसका मतलब फ्रंट व्यू कौन से डायरेक्शन से आएगा? ये साइड से ना, दिस साइड फ्रंट व्यू विल बी देयर. तो इफ आई वांट टू ड्रॉ फ्रंट व्यू, मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा एग्जैक्टली फ्रंट व्यू कैसे दिखेगा. देखो, सिंपली इफ आई रोटेट द ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक दिस, इसको रोटेट किया और मैंने सामने से देखा, ये ऐसे दिखेगा. देखो, like this you will be able to see the front view. This you have to draw. Okay, now here the problem is you are not able to see any hidden lines. Hidden line कौन सा आएगा? देखो, see, first ये ऐसे दो स्ट्रक्चर आएगा, फिर ये आएगा, फिर ये क्या था? Rib. This is rib and this is that cylindrical part. Now here I have not drawn any hidden lines. Hidden lines, which hidden lines will be there? See, this hole is throughout. So if I see the front view, in the front view I will see these two hidden lines throughout. Same way, this is the hole, and here also this is one hole. If I see the front view, these two holes will be hidden lines. Is it clear? So I'll show you how the front view will look like. See, front view will be like this. Okay, what is this hidden line? This is front hole. Same way, पीछे भी hole है ना? Same way, here you can see one hole is there, but on back side of this rib there is one more hole. Both the hidden lines will be overlapping. So in front view, actually you are looking here at only two holes, na? But there are four holes. And from where it will be clear that there are four holes? When you see only top view. Front view you will see only two holes. That is why to draw any 3D object from 2D, we require at least two views. One view, with the help of one view, we cannot draw the 3D object. So in orthographic projections, if you have been given two views, you can again retrace and you can redraw the 3D dimension. That will be a difficult part. ये इसको बोलेंगे हम लोग आइसोमेट्रिक. 2D दिया, 3D ड्रॉ करना है, ये सबसे लास्ट में देखेंगे. इट विल बी स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट. बहुत इमेजिनेशन चाहिए उसमें, 2D का 3D कैसे करना है. ओके, अभी तो 3D 2D चल रहा है, 3D से 2D. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? यू अंडरस्टूड? ओके, अगेन आई विल शो यू द सॉलिड पार्ट. ये सॉलिड ऐसा था, ये ऑब्जेक्ट ऐसा है ना. ओके, अभी मेरे को एक बात बताओ, इफ आई कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक दिस अगेन, टॉप व्यू में क्या क्या दिखेगा? टॉप व्यू में फर्स्ट दिस होल विल बी विजिबल, मतलब दिस सर्कल विल बी विजिबल, देन दिस सर्कल विल बी विजिबल. ओके, देन ये जो रिब है ना, ये रिब टॉप व्यू में एक रेक्टेंगल दिखेगा. ओके, सी, आई विल रोटेट दिस इन द टॉप व्यू. कैन यू सी अ रेक्टेंगल हियर? तो फ्रंट व्यू में इट इज अ इंक्लाइंड सरफेस, बट टॉप व्यू में देयर आर टू रेक्टेंगल्स. सो इफ यू सी द टॉप व्यू, ये दोनों क्या है? रिब है. ओके, देन वन मोर थिंग, ये देखो टॉप व्यू में ये चार होल दिख रहा है आप लोगों को. ओके, क्या नहीं दिख रहा है टॉप व्यू में? अभी वो बताओ मेरे को, एक मिनट. व्हाट यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी इन द टॉप व्यू? नीचे का ये पोर्शन देखो. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड इफ आई शो यू द टॉप व्यू, सेम वे ये जो एज है ना, वैसे ही ये वाला एज रहेगा. ये अच्छे से ध्यान दो, नहीं तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है समझने के लिए. इफ आई शो यू द टॉप व्यू, सी, दिस इज नॉट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर दिस मच पोर्शन विल बी डार्क, and from here to here it will be hidden, and from here to here again dark. Means this line, it will be a combination of dark and hidden. Are you understanding? From this point to this point, how will be the line? Dark. From this point to this point, here you can see it is hidden, na? And from here to here it will be again dark. Same way on this side, from this point to this point dark, from here to here hidden, and from here again dark. Is it clear? Now it was regarding this age, ये वाला एज था. नेक्स्ट एज कौन सा रहेगा? देखो, see, I can select either this age or this age, it doesn't matter, ना. Can you tell me why? ये दोनों एक के नीचे एक है ना, तो ये दोनों का अगर मैंने सिलेक्ट किया और टॉप व्यू में देखा ना, तो भी मेरे को एक ही लाइन दिखने वाला है। Okay, so I'm not going to select both the edges. I will select any one edges, any one edge. Like example, I will select this edge, then I'll select this edge, then this edge, and this edge. And if I show you the top view, ये देखो इतना सारा hidden lines आने वाला है. See, this will be completely hidden. Are you understanding? Same way, this will be completely hidden. और यहाँ पे कैसे आएगा? This much portion hidden, this much portion dark, but rib के बीच में वापस hidden. See, again I am repeating. From here to here, from this point to this point, कैसे आएगा line? Hidden, because that edge is underneath. Then from here, from this point to this point, dark, because this edge is visible from the top. Then from here to here, inside the rib, hidden. From this point to this point, dark. And from this point to this point again, hidden. देखो एक ही लाइन में इतना variety आ रहा है. Okay, same way on this side also. Okay, but these two lines are completely hidden. तो देखो, अगर मैं ये outer edge अगर ये वाला select कर रहा हूँ ना, ये वाला, this edge and this edge, if I select, you can see in the top view, it is throughout hidden. Inside the rib also it will be there. Okay, इधर से rib के बीच में से भी जा रहा है hidden. But if I select this edge and this edge, there is very complex drawing. First it is hidden, then it is dark, then again hidden, then again dark, then again hidden, like that. Is it clear? In this way you have to draw the front view and top view. Same way इसको हम लोगों ने अगर घुमाया तो side view दिखेगा. Now see, understand side view में क्या आएगा. If I see, again I'll change the orientation of the object like this. Which view we have to draw? Left hand side view ना. Left hand side view is on this side, so I'll rotate it. देखो इसको मैं ऐसे rotate करूँगा. तो left में मुझे क्या दिखेगा? This cylinder will be like a rectangle. This rib will also be like a rectangle. Then here this hole will not be visible ना directly, तो hidden line आएगा. Okay, but वो hidden line कहाँ तक आएगा वो देखते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, then ये भी rectangle दिखेगा ना. So if I show you the left hand side view, ये देखो ये दिखने वाला चीज है. Except this edge, ये solid works में आता है. It will not be visible in actual drawing. ठीक है, तो ये डायरेक्टली विजिबल नहीं रहेगा, ये सॉलिड वर्क्स का इशू है. सो बेसिकली इफ यू सी द साइड व्यू, ये सब दिख रहा है ना आपको, क्या दिख नहीं रहा है? अंदर का होल, ये जो होल है ना, इट विल बी टिल दिस. ये देखो, दिस होल विल बी टिल हियर, मतलब वर्टिकली हिडन लाइन आएगा. कहाँ तक आएगा देखो, ये एज तक आएगा. So this edge I will select and this cylinder I will select and I will show you the left hand side view. So basically in left hand side view, this will be hidden, this vertical line blue wala will be hidden and this will be hidden throughout. What is this hidden line? Horizontal one. ये वाला surface का hidden line आएगा. ये वाले का क्यों नहीं आएगा? क्योंकि क्या होता है, ये जो है ना, ये सिर्फ सॉलिड वर्क्स में दिखता है. ओके, जहाँ से चेंज होगा वहाँ का ही आएगा सिर्फ. Okay, again I'll go back to the left hand side view. Then और कौन सा hidden lines आएगा? Can anyone tell me? Holes का. Again if you see, if I view from this side, इसके पीछे ये वाला होल है, दिख रहा है आपको? तो यहाँ पे एक hidden मतलब दो hidden line आएगा, वो पीछे का होल का भी रहेगा. Same way here also you will get two hidden lines. It will be of back side also. So I'll select this two and show you how hidden line will look like. ये select किया मैंने. If I show you the left hand side view, ये ऐसे दो hidden lines दिखेगा. One more thing will be there. Can anyone tell me what is that? देखो हिडन में क्या क्या आएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू में? ये सिलेंडर का आएगा, फिर ये वाला एक एज आएगा, इतना बताया मैंने, फिर ये दो सर्कल आया, आई मीन दीज टू रेक्टेंगल यू विल सी इन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू. एनीथिंग एल्स? पीछे वाला रिप तो इसके पीछे है ना, तो वो नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज डार्क एंड हिडन इफ इट ओवरलैप्स, बैक साइड रिप विल ओवरलैप द फ्रंट रिप. So you have to give priority to dark. Hidden वाला नहीं आएगा. Okay, और क्या आएगा? See, if you see from the left hand side view, you won't be able to see this edge. ये edge नहीं दिखेगा. So if I show you the left hand side view, ये देखो ऐसा आएगा. Can you tell me what is this hidden line? ये नीचे का edge है ये देखो यहाँ पे. You can see this edge, then this edge, दूसरा edge ये है, तीसरा edge ये है, चौथा ये edge ये है. ये चारों का मिला के सिर्फ एक हिडन लाइन आएगा. which will be this one. Is it clear? So I'll type the command image attach. Don't draw, huh? Everyone pay attention on board. Image attach. Okay, so quickly I'll copy the file and paste it on desktop. This is the file. So I'll open this practice sheet one, whatever I have sent to you. Click OK. This is the first point. Second point. Now see, this image is very big, na? I need to scale it down. So I'll select this SC, enter, select base point, and I think इसको बहुत ज़्यादा scale करना पड़ेगा. कितना रहेगा? 20%, 0.2 करके देखते हैं. ये भी बड़ा है देखो. SC, enter, about this point, scale factor जो रहेगा, इतना करना पड़ेगा. 0.1, enter. See, this is the question. Now see, मैं ये क्वेश्चन जब ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, हाउ आई एम जूमिंग इट, इधर जूम किया, फिर इधर से इधर जाना है, इधर आके जूम कर रहा हूँ, इतना फास्ट आपको करना पड़ेगा बाद में एट द लेटर स्टेज. सो इफ यू सी द फ्रंट व्यू, व्हाट विल बी विजिबल. सी, अभी व्हेन यू ड्रॉ दिस, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ. ऑब्जर्व दिस पॉइंट. ये दिख रहा है आपको, ये पॉइंट. एवरीवन ऑब्जर्व दिस पॉइंट. ये जो पॉइंट है ना, दिस पॉइंट विल बी ओवर हियर, बिकॉज आई हैव टू ड्रॉ द फ्रंट व्यू ऑन लेफ्ट साइड ना. तो फ्रंट व्यू जब हम लोग यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो ये जो फ्रंट व्यू का ये वाला पॉइंट है ना, राइट वाला पॉइंट, राइट मोस्ट पॉइंट, वो ये वाले पॉइंट पे आएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो इफ यू सी द डायमेंशन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, इधर से ऊपर कितना है? 16. सो सिंपली आई विल सिलेक्ट आउटलाइन लेयर, आई विल क्लिक ऑन लाइन, मेक श्योर ऑर्थो इज ऑन, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ परफेक्ट वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. ऑर्थो ऑन है. ये हाइट कितना है? हाइट इज 16. So I will click here, and from here I will draw a vertical line 16, enter. Okay, this is drawn. Now next, from this point to this point, what is the distance? 10, 30 and 10. कितना है? 50. तो इधर से मुझे टोटल इधर तक कितना आना है? 50. Okay, so I'll simply take the cursor towards left. Now no need to give minus. If I press at the rate, then I have to use plus minus. If I simply take the cursor on left side, so I can give dimension directly. तो अभी कितना था? 50. So 50, enter. इधर आ गए. अभी किधर जाना है? वापस नीचे जाना है. कितना? 16. So नीचे के तरफ किया, 16, enter. Now राइट में कितना है? 10. तो कर्सर को राइट में लेके जाओ, 10, enter. अभी कहाँ जाना है? ऊपर. What is the distance? Now see, this distance I think it is given over here. See, what is the total height? 16. And 16 में से the width, or you can say the height of that part is how much? 11. तो कितना बचा? 5. So ये ऊपर कितना जाना है? 5. Like this you need to do the calculation. So I'll move up this distance. ऊपर करो कर्सर को, 5, enter. अभी राइट में कितना था? 30. Okay, so right side 30, enter. Then नीचे 5, enter, and right side again 10, enter. This part is done. Is it clear? Now next we will draw this portion. Okay, now in order to draw this portion, we need to be careful. What we will do, understand. See, first what I will do, total. What is the total length? What is the total length? 180. 180k, half pay. I will get the center line of this object. So I will go to center layer. Okay, select this line. I will search for a triangle and I will draw a center line over here. Okay, just for reference purpose. Okay, next what we will do, see, from this point, cursor is visible ना? ध्यान दो, हाँ, बाद में ड्रॉ करो, घर पे जाके किया तो भी चलेगा, पहले अंडरस्टैंड करो यहाँ पे. So from this point, what is the total height? इधर तक कितना है? 45. So see, but that 45 includes this fillet also. This fillet is of how much radius? अंदर वाला 5 है, inside is 5, outside will be plus 10 because the width is how much 10. So this fillet if you see इसका सेंटर यहाँ पे रहेगा ओके और ये जो फिलेट है इसका सेंटर यहाँ पे रहेगा आई विल शो इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम कलर सी if you observe this part of the fillet what is the radius 5 so its center will be over here somewhere and then 10 is getting added na so if you see this fillet from this point what will be the radius 15 is it clear okay so see what I will do I will simply draw a vertical line of 45 millimeter height fillet we will draw later on okay so we'll draw that first so from this point what is the distance 10 so from this point 10 vertically कितना जाना है 45 okay तो देखो यहाँ so L enter from this side ये कितना है distance right now we are in center layer so I need to change the layer to outline it don't ever use def points layer huh? if you use def point layer this is created automatically after some time by the AutoCAD if you create anything in this it will be non printable मतलब पूरा ड्राइंग बनेगा और प्रिंट में कुछ नहीं आएगा एग्जाम में 0 मिलेगा याद रखो गलती से भी डेफ पॉइंट पे क्लिक नहीं करना है और डेफ पॉइंट में गए तो क्या करने का इसके ऊपर वीडियो है मैं बताने नहीं वाला हूँ वीडियो देख लो मेरे चैनल पे वीडियो डाला हुआ है डेफ पॉइंट में अगर जा रहे हो आप गलती से अगर कुछ बन गया तो क्या करना है वो मैंने वीडियो में बताया हुआ है यू चेक माई AutoCAD playlist in that the solution is given how you can come out of this def point issue okay so I'll select outline L enter from this what is the distance 10 okay then what is the height 45 ऊपर करो कर्सर को 45 enter now from here once I go 45 this I have to join to the till the center line na? So simply I will move towards left and click on the center line like this I don't no need to have get any distance is it clear same way next क्या करना है देखो I will draw this inside line what will be the height till this point 45 minus 10 35 so again L enter from this point height will be 35 enter and I will join it over here okay once this is drawn what is the next step I want this fillet two fillets are there one internal fillet what is the radius 5 and this one 15 so what is the fillet command fillet you here you can click here or you can type F enter okay it is asking select first object don't go here we have to first select radius so click on radius ये वो बाद में करो ना रे क्या कर रहे हो टाइम पास click on radius and what is the radius 5 so 5 enter and then select this line and this line ये बन गया अंदर का fillet okay then again right now we are in which command fillet so what we have to press space bar last command fillet so space bar again we have to change the radius na if I directly click on these two lines I will get 5 okay so I will click radius this will be 15 enter select this line and select this line okay once this is drawn what is the next part from the center line see I have to draw this rectangle na now for cylinder what is the outer diameter of the cylinder 50 so what will be the half dimension radius 25 so simply go to line L enter from here towards right कितना रहेगा 25 enter और इधर से ऊपर लाइन के ऊपर लाइन ड्रॉ किया तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मल्टीपल टाइम्स कर सकते हो एंड देन हाइट कितना रहेगा सी यू कैन डायरेक्टली क्लिक हियर आल्सो बट विल गो थ्रू द डायग्राम बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेक श्योर कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर रुक रहेगा उसके ऊपर गया मतलब कुछ इश्यू रहेगा व्हाट इज द हाइट 30 सो इफ आई मूव द आई मीन कीप द कर्सर इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड 30 एंटर किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली देखो यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ है एंड देन आई विल ज्वाइन दिस आल्सो नाउ इफ यू ऑब्जर्व I have created the front view na this portion few things are still remaining. What are those? Hidden lines. So that also I'll draw and then I will do mirror. So hidden line भी mirror हो जाए, सब कुछ mirror होगा एक साथ, मिरर का घाई नहीं करने का. ओके अभी देखो क्या करेंगे हम लोग, ये बनाना है ना, ये वाला. तो अभी इसका डायमेंशन इट इज गिवन हियर. सी व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इन द टॉप व्यू, this distance is 50. मतलब from the center of this hole to center of this hole, what is the distance? 50. Okay, then if you observe from this edge, leftmost edge of the object to the center of the circle, what is the distance? 20. So I need to draw this center line. Is it clear? कितने distance पे रहेगा? 20. And what will be the whole of the what will be the height of the hole? Height of the hole, how much it will be? Throughout na 11. Okay, so what I will do, I will draw a center line at a distance of 20, either from left side or right side. See, this 20 is given from left side na, but same way from right side also this will be 20 only. Okay, object is symmetric. So what I will do, since I am drawing from right side, I will draw a vertical center line. Kitne distance pe? 20. So I'll go to the main drawing again. Okay, right side say 20. So initially I want what I'll do is I'll take outline only, or you can draw a projection line. See, whatever I'm drawing in projection line na, if I turn off the bulb at the end, everything will be hidden. That is the use of the layers. I don't want projection lines at the end. Okay, so right now I want, so I'll turn this on and I'll use the projection layer. And कितने distance पे center line है? 20. ये side से, तो यहाँ से I'll draw 20. Enter. So from here I want to draw that center line ना. देखो यहाँ से 20 पे है ना ये होल का सेंटर, तो either from left side or from here also it will be 20 only because object is symmetric. So I have got this point. Now I'll go to center layer, I will select line, I will select this point. यहाँ से center नहीं बनाना है, पर थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाके ट्रैक करो ये पॉइंट को ऊपर, एंड इधर से इधर बनाना है सेंटर लाइन. नाउ इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस सेंटर लाइन, ये दिख रहा है क्या सेंटर जैसा? नहीं, इट इज कंटिन्यूअस ना. इफ यू सी दिस इट विल लुक लाइक सेंटर. व्हाई इज दिस? अंडरस्टैंड, ये जो मैक्सिमम लेंथ दिख रहा है आपको ये सेंटर लाइन का, ये लेंथ और ये लेंथ जो है ना वो उतना कवर ही नहीं कर पा रहा है, उसके लिए ये लाइन का प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. तो ये लाइन का क्या करना है मैं बताता हूँ अभी आप लोगों को. देखो, यू विल सिलेक्ट दिस लाइन, okay, and then you will right click this and go to properties, and in properties line type scale को आपको change करके देखना है. For example, I will reduce this scale first 0.2 करके 0.5 करके देखूंगा. 0.5 enter, escape and then close. आ गया ये? Is it clear? Okay, but ये जो चीज है ना ये आपको ठीक है, अभी हम लोग और भी चीज देखते हैं करके, इसमें कुछ इशू होता है. हाँ, now once this is done, ये सेंटर लाइन चेंज कैसे करना है समझ में आया? यू विल सिलेक्ट द सेंटर लाइन, राइट क्लिक, गो टू प्रॉपर्टीज, यू विल आइदर, अभी ये देखो वापस 1 हो गया, ये 1 क्यों हुआ है? ये अभी इसने ये वाले स्केल को 1 ले लिया, अभी इसको 0.5 वापस किया तो ये 0.5 होगा, बट इधर वापस 1 ही आएगा जब आप बाहर आके वापस इधर आओगे. ओके, सो आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ नाउ द हिडन लाइन्स ना. हिडन लाइन किसका आएगा? दीज होल्स, हियर 2 होल्स आर देयर ना. ओके, यहाँ पे एक होल है और पीछे के साइड में वैसे ही होल है. तो व्हाट इज द डायमीटर ऑफ दिस होल? कितना दिया है देखो, हाउ द डायमेंशन इज गिवन. डायमीटर इज नॉट गिवन फॉर ऑल द 4 होल्स. इवन इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इन द ओरिजिनल ड्राइंग यू कैन सी ओनली 3 होल्स. Okay, by common sense and logic, since the object is symmetric, we are deducting that on the back side of this rib also there is 1 hole. ये logic होना चाहिए आपके पास. Then see the dimension, how the dimension is given. Diameter 10, 4 hole. तो चारों होल का डायमेंशन कितना रहेगा? डायमीटर 10 रहेगा. तो इफ डायमीटर इज 10, रेडियस कितना होगा? 5. तो देखो अभी क्या करना है. What I'll do, L enter, I will select projection layer, and from here I will move towards right. कितना distance? 5 enter. अभी 5 का मिल गया ना मेरे को. ओके, अभी मैं क्या करूंगा देखो, if you want you can delete this line which I had drawn before. अभी ये देखो 5 वाला लाइन मिला मेरे को. then I'll select hidden layer, line पे जाओ, and from here you can draw this hidden line. Now same type of hidden line I want on left side also. So either again I can draw a 5 millimeter over here and then draw, or simple क्या है, mirror. I enter, select object, read here. Okay, क्या पूछा है यहाँ पे, select object. So select object, then enter first point of the mirror line, second point of the mirror line, erase source object, ये मेरे को चाहिए, erase नहीं करना है, तो click on no, हो गया. Same way this whole I have completed ना. Now what is remaining, this cylinder also has this hole na. What is the radius of internal hole, diameter is 30, so radius will be how much, 15. So again I will select projection layer. Okay, there is better way to do this, huh? इसका better way भी है, from top view you can come here. Okay, it's not necessary कि front view start किया तो पूरा front view एक ही go में बनाना है. I am doing it like this, but actual method क्या होता है, in top view you will draw the circles, wherever circles are there, like for example if you see this drawing, where is the circle, this hole is in top view ना, I mean this circle is in top view, तो top view में circle बना के फिर projection करके front view में आना होता है. Same way ये जो 4 होल है ये भी आप लोग पहले top view में बनाओगे फिर आओगे front view में. अभी मैं पूरा वन गो में front view बना रहा हूँ. ऐसा बनाना नहीं है, पर आपको अभी के लिए ठीक है, एग्जाम में इट विल बी शॉर्टकट, मैं बाद में बताऊंगा कैसे करना है. ओके, तो अभी देखो व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ दैट इंटरनल होल, 30 का हाफ 15 ना. सो आई विल सिलेक्ट प्रोजेक्शन लेयर, L enter, from here I will move towards right 15, enter, escape, then select hidden layer and draw that vertical line. So we have completed half part of the front view. पूरा कैसे मिलेगा, मिरर करके, वेरी इजी. अभी मिरर कैसे करना है देखो. What you can do, there are two selection methods. One is right click किया यहाँ पे and mouse को I am dragging towards right. What is the color of the window, blue. Okay, and second method I will click somewhere here and I will move towards left. ये कौन सा मेथड है, ग्रीन विंडो. तो ग्रीन विंडो में ये ग्रीन विंडो जिसको जिसको कट करेगा सबको सिलेक्ट करेगा. बट आई डोंट वांट दिस बॉक्स, ये बॉक्स चाहिए क्या मेरे को, नहीं. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग विच मेथड हियर, ब्लू. सो इफ आई क्लिक हियर एंड इफ आई सिलेक्ट केयरफुली दिस मच, सेंटर लाइन नहीं चाहिए ना मेरे को, ये बीच वाला सेंटर लाइन मिरर नहीं करना है, तो मैं इतना ही सिलेक्ट करूंगा. देखो दिख रहा है ना कितना सिलेक्ट हो रहा है. आई हैव सिलेक्टेड दिस. Okay, then I will type, either you can type mi enter before, or you can select and after that also you can type mi enter. Okay, तो जैसे normally करते हैं वैसे ही करेंगे हम लोग. mi enter first, then what is asked, select object. So I'll select the object here with this right selection method. Select object, then enter, then what is asked here, first mirror point, then second point of mirror line, and then erase source object. If I click yes, then right side वाला portion निकल जाएगा, वो चाहिए ना, तो click on no, front view is completed. Okay, now one mistake is there over here, small mistake. I told you this hole is throughout ना, this hole is throughout means इसमें से भी जा रहा है वो. So this hidden line will be till here. I have drawn only till here. So there are two ways in which you can change this. Either you can select hidden layer और फिर यहाँ से यहाँ पे दूसरा hidden line ड्रॉ करो, शॉर्टकट आई मीन ये ऐसे कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे भी सेम करना पड़ेगा. बट वन बेटर मेथड इज देयर, हाँ ये भी कर सकते हो, ये डिलीट करके वापस रीड्रॉ. ओके, बट वन बेटर मेथड इज देयर टू यूज एक्सटेंड कमांड. तो एक्सटेंड कमांड है एक्स एंटर, ये लाइन को नीचे के लाइन तक जो भी नियरेस्ट नेक्स्ट लाइन रहेगा वहां तक एक्सटेंड, ये लाइन को आगे तक एक्सटेंड करना है, देन एस्केप. इज इट क्लियर, ex enter and then you have to just select it. Okay, now see this will be the front view. If I hide the projection layer, ये ऐसे मिलेगा front view, and I'll show you the solution. ये देखो ये ऐसे solution था. हाँ, rib is remaining ना, so rib अच्छा ध्यान था, rib कहाँ पे है, rib is touching this cylinder, this part and the bottom part ना. तो सिंपली दो लाइन ही ड्रॉ करना है. अभी देखो रिब भी पहले ड्रॉ करना चाहिए था मिरर के पहले, अभी नहीं किया तो ठीक है चलेगा. एल एंटर, फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. अभी देखो ये लेयर कौन सा है, हिडन है, चलेगा. सिलेक्ट दिस एंड सिंपली चेंज द लेयर हियर, आउटलाइन. ओके, सेम वे अगेन चेंज द लेयर हियर, आउटलाइन, एल एंटर एंड सिंपली ज्वाइन दिस. it would have been better if I would have drawn this line also before mirroring. Is it clear? So this will be the complete front view. Once this is completed, what is the next part? Dimensioning. Okay, अभी dimensioning देखो कैसे करना है. I told you one command, right? क्या करना था? Dim करना है. Then click on DIM, enter. Then click on layer, and then as you have typed over here, I am using small d ना, तो वैसे के वैसे यहाँ पे dimension I have to type dimension. I have already typed, उसके लिए यहाँ पे bracket में दिख रहा है dimension, and then double enter and then escape. Now see how I will give the dimension. Dimension should not be given twice. मतलब एक जगह पे एक ही बार देना है, ओवर डायमेंशनिंग नहीं करना है. ओके, so I'll turn on the projection layer again. See dimensions कैसे देना है. Dimension should be like this कि if I give you this 2D drawing, ये 2D से वापस 3D बनाने आना चाहिए, कुछ भी डायमेंशन मिसिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, ये जो सिलेंडर वाला जो डायमेंशन है ना, डायमीटर वाला, आई विल गिव इट वेयर इन द टॉप व्यू. तो फ्रंट व्यू में देखो मैं क्या क्या देने वाला हूँ. इन फ्रंट व्यू आई विल गो टू डायमेंशन, क्लिक डायमेंशन, दिस 10 आई विल गिव, 10 यहाँ पे रखा मैंने. ओके, देन अगेन प्रेस स्पेस बार, एंड फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, ये डिस्टेंस कितना था, इधर से नहीं करना है, नीचे से करो, इधर से इधर, ये डिस्टेंस कितना था 30. नाउ डोंट कीप इट एनीवेयर, इट विल नॉट लुक गुड. तो मेरे को कहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, इधर ही, मतलब एक ही लाइन में आएगा, चेन डायमेंशनिंग. ओके, देन अगेन स्पेस बार, from here to here, and then place it over here. Okay, then once this is done, ये height भी था ना, so I can give this height over here, so that ये इधर side view के बीच में नहीं जाना चाहिए. So again from this point to this point 16 height था ना, so I have given here 16 height. Then this dimension was there, from this point to this point, ये height कितना था 45, place it over here. Same way from this point to this point, ये डायमेंशन यहाँ पे रखना. ओके, ये होने के बाद और क्या बाकी है, फिलेट का रेडियस. सो आई विल गो टू दिस एनोटेशन में, रेडियस में, और यहाँ पे रेडियस ऐसा नहीं देना है, ऐसे देना है, ऐसे भी दे सकते हो, दिस विल बी द बेटर वन, ये ऐसे भी दे सकते हो, R5. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग रेडियस टू दिस पार्ट, आई विल सिंपली गिव द थिकनेस, जैसे क्वेश्चन में था ना. इफ यू सी द क्वेश्चन, here this thickness was given na 10. Same way I'll show the dimension. So again in dimension, this dimension I'll select, ये dimension 10 हो गया. Now the remaining portion of the dimensioning, like this hole, I mean this part of the cylinder, then this hole, these 4 holes, that I will give in which view, top view. Is it clear? So complete the front view.